Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chorizo rice that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing rice with chorizo, these are our few ingredients. I have chicken bouillon, one garlic clove, of course, 1.5 pounds of chorizo, pork chorizo, 2 cups of rice, one poblano pepper, half an onion, vegetable oil, and hot water. This is everything we need. So let's get started.
I am going to start here first with my garlic clove. I love smashing it first so it doesn't run away when I'm dicing away. Remember, I love garlic, and this garlic clove into this chorizo rice really comes out amazing. Of course, I'm going to add half an onion, diced and cubed, and I'm going to add a poblano pepper. These three ingredients are really going to elevate all those amazing flavors of the chorizo. And the combination of the chorizo, onion, garlic, poblano pepper, the rice is going to be so infused with all these amazing flavors. Well, here I have a poblano pepper. I'm going to remove the stem. I'm going to remove the seeds, making sure that I remove the veins inside the poblano pepper. The reason that you need to remove it is sometimes the poblano peppers are spicy and you don't want a spicy rice. You want to really enjoy this delicious chorizo rice. Look at this. I'm going to start slicing away. And of course, I am going to cube it in small little pieces, making sure that they are almost the same size of the onion. So it really incorporates and releases all the amazing flavor of the poblano chili. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is what takes longer, the longer time. Cutting, slicing, cubing, making sure that you have all your ingredients ready to make your chorizo rice. Let me show you how I cubed my poblano peppers. Little squares, the same as the onion, and of course the diced garlic. And now I put some gloves on because I don't want to get all dirty with the chorizo. The chorizo releases so many flavors and oh my god, look at this. And this chorizo doesn't have too much oils, so that's why I'm going to add a little bit of oil on my saucepan so I could cook the chorizo through and it gets nice and crispy before I add the rice. Look at this. I don't want to make a mess. That's why I added some gloves to my hands. I'm going to start pulling away all the chorizo. Of course, the casing we are not going to use. Look at this. Imagine if you're doing it just with your bare hands. Of course, it gets really messy, but this rice comes out delicious. And here I am ready to show you how this looks. I am ready to take this off, of course, with my hands nice and clean. And now I have 1.5 pounds of chorizo, pork chorizo, that I have already taken out of the casing. The chicken bouillon, which is optional, you could use salt, but the chicken bouillon really gives it an amazing flavor. 2 cups of rice and all my veggies cut and cubed. And now in the pan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to add the chorizo. I'm gonna start pulling it apart just like that. It really doesn't take too long. I have the heat in medium high heat, so it shouldn't take too long to cook the chorizo. You want to make sure that you cook the chorizo and it's golden brown before you add the rest of the ingredients. You can really see the edges of the chorizo getting nice and crispy. Just continue cooking. Once you could really see the chorizo getting golden brown and even the aroma comes out so delicious, you add your poblano, your garlic, and your onion. Incorporate it really good, and now I'm ready to add the rice. When you add the rice, make sure that you coat all your rice with the chorizo. You want everything to be incorporated really good. Look at this. Oh, my kitchen smells amazing. Once you incorporate it like this, you are ready to add your chicken bouillon. Remember to add hot water. I added 2 cups of rice and I'm going to add 4 cups of hot steaming water. In this cup, it fits 2 cups, so I'm actually using 2 cups here of boiling water. When you add boiling water, your rice is going to be so fluffy, it's going to cook much faster. In 15 minutes, you have a perfect, fluffy, and delicious chorizo rice. Once you add your water, reduce the heat to medium low and cover your pot and just come back in 15 minutes. And your rice is going to be perfect. Let me show you how this looks. It looks amazing. It's really fluffy and you could really see all the chorizo really incorporated. I can't wait to enjoy it. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this amazing rice with chorizo, leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Remember, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. Thank you so much for being part of my family and for leaving so many beautiful messages. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. Look how amazing this chorizo rice came out. See you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing rice with chorizo. A very easy recipe, but yet this is a delicious and tasty rice. Excuse me. Mmm, mmm. Let me tell you, even on its own, this rice tastes amazing. Mmm. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing rice with chorizo. See you soon. Bye-bye.